It's Aiden and Gracie. And
Gracie and Aiden, to be exact.
And this is my dad eating this pizza pretzel. This is my mom eating her weird pretzel balls. And this is me. Gracie, oh, this is
pick those strawberries up before they get smashed. Those two go in the trash. Nope, those two go in the trash.
I wasn't going to say, and these are strawberries.
So, sorry about that. It was just his dad kicked him over, and sorry about those awkward faces. Yeah, folks, so, yeah.
Why are they out?
So, this is a kid who, is doing the puzzle. Mason, what puzzle are you doing?
Death. You got a dead man now. Yeah, I mean, that's why we're here. And everything in between.
Stop picking your nose.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's stop this video.